Hello everyone, and come back my channel. And now I am give the solution for you. Paper Jam HP LaserJet. You looking the serial? Is error Paper Jam XP LaserJet. You looking the printer, and step one, you turn off the printer. You click turn off, and step two, error Paper Jam LaserJet. Step two, you open the cover. Okay, you open the cover printing. Okay, step three, you open the toner. Open the toner. Okay, you open the toner, and you looking the paper jam. You looking the paper, and you're in paper. Okay, if paper jam in the paper here, and you open the paper. If you ready, you input the toner. Okay, input the toner. Okay, and you close the cover. And you turn on the printing, and print is ready. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my video, and see you. Bye.